welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Cindy, and today I'm just updating you guys with a quick little last minute details right before the holidays. And I am going to wax my floors and do some sprucing up around the home before I have my Christmas dinner party tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing, guys, I wanted to deep clean my floors by hot steaming them. So I just went ahead and took this hot steam mop, and I had to go over the entire floor, which is the entire bottom level. So you see me here just hot waxing the floors, making sure I get up all the spots and stains that may have been wasted, like coffee stains, sodas, things like that, or just everyday wear and tear on the floors. And then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to wax these floors, which is what I'm doing now. I'm just putting a light coat of wax on them just to bring them up to a nice appeal for the Christmas holiday. I love for my floors to shine, and if I can, to see my my reflection through the floors, or the windows at least. So as you see here, these floors are nice and clean. So the next thing I had to do was clean my oven top, or my stove top, that is, because I want to make sure, you know, when you have guests over and you're cooking, you want to make sure that your stove is in tip-top condition and shape. And I will continue to clean these floors from the kitchen, the sunroom, through the hallway, all the way to the front double doors. So you guys, just to check in, just to let you see how my Christmas Eve is going. I'll be back with another video later on today, showing you guys what I am doing, the last minute shoppings and details of my day right before the Christmas day arrives. So, and then that final video with me and Kira and Tay, we will be uploading a video showing you how we are going to put together a gingerbread house. And then I will also be showing you guys my entertainment tips for the holidays, which is my charcuterie board, the items that I will be making for Christmas brunch tomorrow, and also some libations. So you guys, get ready for that video. This is Cindy signing out. I will see you guys in the next video.